Looking for pain-free typing? If you're spending long hours at your desk, you know the feeling. Flat keyboards force awkward angles, leading to wrist pain, shoulder tension, and fatigue. So, what's the secret? It's all about ergonomics. A split, slightly tented layout with a gentle negative tilt aligns your wrists naturally and dramatically reduces strain. Ready for some top picks? First, the Kensington Pro Fit offers wireless convenience with a comfy wrist rest. The Logitech ERGO K860 has a gentle palm lift and a quiet, natural curve. For a reliable wired option on a budget, check out the Perixx 512B. The ProtoArc EKO1 is great for multi-device setups with a clean backlight. The Fecker Alice 98 is a creator-friendly board with hot swappable keys. But for smaller desks, the Logitech Wave Keys offers compact comfort, and for a great value wireless option, the Artec is rechargeable and ready to go. Rounding out our list are the X9 with its cushioned rest, the Olsu wireless combo, and the classic Microsoft Ergonomic Keyboard with its plush pad. When choosing, consider your desk space, your work type, and your preferred key feel. And remember, give yourself about a week to adapt. It's totally worth it. For the full rankings, detailed tests, and pros and cons of each keyboard, check out the complete guide on ahembuti.com. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't